This screencast will show you how to embed videos from some of the DVC library's streaming databases into your Canvas course shells. Starting with the library homepage, type in your search terms. Once you've got your search results, use the controls on the left to limit down to just videos. Now these search results include both the physical DVDs we have here in the library as well as streaming media you can access online. And depending on the database, it's going to look a little bit different for how you grab the embed code to embed it in your Canvas course. So for the database called Academic Video Online, also known as AVON, what we're looking for is listed under the heading Share. So you can see you have your different controls here. We're going to click on Share. Now you have both the URL, which is going to take students directly to this page, and you also have the embed code, which is going to create a player within the Canvas page that they can watch the video on. I recommend using both of these on your Canvas pages. So we're going to click over to Canvas, we're going to click on Edit. Now in order to put in the embed code, you're going to actually have to view the source code for the page. Click to the HTML editor, and you're going to paste in that iframe code, and you can click on those little arrows again to get out of that view. And you can see here the embedded viewer comes up. Sometimes this comes up with the, it's laid over by the single sign-on where students put in their Insight Portal username and password, just depending on what's happening on the back end. And that's okay. Students can log in that way and they'll be fine. Just keep in mind that what they are looking at might look a little different from what you're looking at. So following my own advice, I'm going to also copy this link and put that in there as well. This is important in case students have trouble actually accessing the video, because it just happens sometimes. So we're going to put in that direct HTML link, and this way they can open it in a new tab. So there's one type of video. Now let's see what it looks like with a different database. So I have another video here that comes from Films on Demand, which is one of our other big streaming databases. Now both of these are really good at, a lot of instructors ask for PBS documentaries. So both of these, both Films on Demand and AVON, typically will have most of the PBS documentaries available. Films on Demand, what we're looking for lives under Share, and it's going to default to email. Just ignore that and click where it says Embed or Link. And again, you have the direct link as well as the embed code. Films on Demand allows you to control the size of the player, so we're going to stick with the default, which is medium. We're going to copy that code, take it over to Canvas. Again, open the HTML editor, paste in the iframe, close the HTML editor, and then we're going to go back and grab that URL as well, the direct URL. And make it a hot link. Oops. Come on. And we're going to save the page. And you can see, because we have embedded the video, you get that nice shiny player where they can just click play. They don't need to open anything special. And you should be good to go. Remember, you can always ask for help from the library. Librarians are here for faculty as well as students. So if you are having trouble finding the video that you want to use in your class, if you're having trouble embedding things into Canvas, that is what we're here for. So please reach out, ask a librarian, and we are happy to help you. Good luck.